Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Apache web server on Debian. First I'm going to update my Debian machine. So my Debian is updated and now I can continue with the installation. To install Apache, simply you can run sudo apt install Apache 2. You can run this command. Confirm the installation. Software is installed. Now I'm going to start the Apache server. It's sudo systemctl start Apache 2. Show the status if it is running. Yeah, the Apache server is active and it is running. So now I can continue with the configuration. First I'm going to show you the Apache default web page. To do this, I must know my machine's IP address. I run the fconfig command. So now I know my machine's IP address. I can copy this and enter in my browser. This is the Apache default web page. So the Apache web server is correctly installed and we must create our own web page. To do this, I want to stop the Apache services. Check the status. So the Apache services right now inactive. First, I'm making a directory for my web server files. This common. Next, assign ownership of the directory to the user. For example, to your currently assigned user. In my case, it is Debian. The permissions of the web routes should be correct if you haven't modified your new mask value, but it sets default file permissions to ensure that your permissions are correct, and allow the owner to read, write, and execute the files, while granting only read and execute permissions to groups and others. You can input the following command. Next, create a simple index page using your prepared text editor. Here I will use none. To create a simple site, you can just add these HTML simple code. So I'm saving and closing this file. In order for Apache to serve this content, it is necessary to create a virtual host file, but current directives instead of modifying the default configuration file. To do this, run this command. Insert the following configuration block, which is similar to the default, but updated for your new directory and domain name. So in my case, the server name is bobble.local, and I entered here as alias www.bobble.local, and my root document root path is /var/www/bobble.local. Save and close the file. Now enable the file with this command. So the file is enabled, and now I'm disabling the default configuration. To do this, run this command. So the default configuration file is now disabled. Next, I'm going to test the configuration for any errors. To do this, run this command. So it looks good. So now I'm going to change the host name with sudo nano etc hostname, and removing debian12 and adding bobble.local, and save and close the file. And as next, I'm going to also change in the hosts file. So here I'm removing this line and adding the IP address of this host. And the host name will be bubble.local and bubble. Save and close. And now I should restart the Apache server with sudo systemctl restart Apache 2. Check the status if it is running. Yeah, the Apache server is active and it's running. Very good. So now I can test if my web page is working. So now I'm opening my web browser again. So if I refresh the web browser, it should show my own configured page. So here it is. The Apache web server is working. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.